Hello friends, how are you? Today I have come up with basic GK quiz on our national symbols. Rule to play this quiz. I will give you a question. You will answer the question without any option. Before we start the video, please subscribe my channel World of Twist. Do watch my videos, like it, and share it to your friends and family. Let's start the first question of part 2. What is our national currency? The time starts now. Our national currency is rupees, and in Hindi we called it rupiah. Second question. Which is our national airline? The time starts now. And the answer is Air India. It was founded in 1932 and the founder was J.R.D. Tata. Third question. What is our national personification? Your time starts now. Our national personification is Bharat Mata. In English, we called it Mother India. Fourth question. Which library is assigned as National Library? The time starts now. The answer is National Library of India. It is located in Kolkata. It is India's largest library by volume and public record. Fifth question. Which are the two official languages spoken in India? Your time starts now. As we know, there are 23 languages spoken in India, but commonly it is Hindi and English. Sixth question. What is our national motto? Time starts now. Satyameva Jayate. It was taken from Hindu scripture Mundaka Upanishad and was adopted as the national motto of India on 26 January 1950. Seventh question. What is our national aquatic animal? Your time starts now. The right answer is Gangetic dolphin. Eighth question. Where is National Museum located and what is the name? Your time starts now. And the answer is National Museum of India in New Delhi. First, it was inaugurated on 15 August 1949 at Rashtrapati Bhavan. Later, it was shifted in a building in 1960. Ninth question. Which is our national emblem? Time starts now. The answer is Ashoka Stamp. It has 4 lions that face 4 different directions: north, south, east, west. 10th question. Which is our national calendar? Time starts now. And the answer is Saka calendar. It was implemented from 22nd March 1957. Hooray! Well done, friends! You did it! We will meet in the next video. Thanks for watching.